Hello everyone. I've been wanting to try my hand at making a video for a while now, and what with having nothing else to do in lockdown except make things, I'm going to make a skateboard today. This is the prototype board I made a while ago to figure out sizing and spacing after breaking my last one. Today I'm going to make a replacement out of this 18mm ply instead of the old softwood. So the first job is to undo these nuts on the trucks and take the trucks off the old board so we can clean and reuse the fittings that we have here. All cleaned up. Nearly. Then use the old deck as a template on the new board, so we're going to draw around that and put this where it belongs. And now for the fun stuff.
Bada bing, bada boom, Mr. Worldwide as I step in the room.
So I rushed the job and there's a lot of dead cut, so we're going to trim that off quickly. Sorry neighbours. So here's the rough deck, and we're just going to take the edge off with this old 80 grit, whilst being careful to not cover myself in sawdust. Not a bad finish. The veneer is a bit jagged from the saw, but that side can just be the bottom of the deck. Here's the new deck with the trucks on, and I'll just screw them on quickly, just to test the handling. Verdict, works well. Now, to bolt them on properly. I'm drilling the bolt holes through the deck, then persuading these bolts to poke through. Some of them didn't want to sit square, so some more persuading was needed. Washers, then these square nuts go on until the heads of the bolts pull into the countersunk holes I drilled in the deck. And now to test it out. Okay, so the board works, but it's clearly too long to use on the ramps. It doesn't have any pop with which to ollie. So what is it good for? So even on the roughly paved, modest slope of our street, this longboard carries speed well, and is very stable. It still doesn't stop me from trying to jib on the ramp. Okay, so it's possible, but that still doesn't make me Tony Hawk. I think I'll stick to using this board for what it's meant for, cruising on the road. If you enjoyed this video, I made a second, nicer board after this that I much prefer, and I'll hopefully have another build and ride video about that board soon.